Hi, my name is Dorian Fletcher. I'm a wearable artist, a jeweler, and the specialty jeweler for Marvel's Black Panther film. I was at the Spiritual Center and I saw this woman making rings, and she was selling them for what I thought at the time was like a crazy amount of money, but they were like copper rings. And I thought, I can do that. And I was trying to figure out how I can make money outside of what I was doing or that job I had. So I grabbed some wire and I started making rings, and people liked them. So that's how I started. And at that moment, like something inside of me just like lit up. And I was like, I want to test this out. I want to see where I can take this. I was approached with the gig at first I'll say the gig, because I wasn't told what it was. I had to do some research on, well, I knew it was a superhero movie, and so I did some research on which ones were coming out, and I heard it was Black Panther. I had no idea who Black Panther was. I was so happy seeing representation of people of color, Black people, that could definitely inspire and affect young Black girls and boys. And I think that was, I feel like that was part of me fulfilling like my purpose on this world, like in this world, is supporting other people and seeing themselves as beautiful. So with the type of license that I received from Marvel, which was for artists and small businesses, I really want to be an example of a small business or an artist, and that they actually can produce and execute and do well and succeed with these resources. Like, it's great to be able to work with such a great, huge company as Marvel and do a partnership with eBay. So my intention is to really just blow this out the water, to make the sales, to get this in people's hands, and to, I think, along with that, know my story, and that whatever dreams you have or what intentions or vision that you have for yourself, like, you can make it happen.